Today's date then is Sunday the 29th of June 2025. Just a quick rundown of the CQB village, which from now on will be known as the village. Gun position 1. There's another one being built through and beyond down there. So obviously this is all part finished. Still got 2 black coverings to come on. Obviously my truck won't be there. There's another big structure like that one that's being built. Again, all these are in part built, or mid-build should I say. So like I said, these will have black coverings on them on the wall. Here's another gun position there. There's another one that will be done, and these back entrances will also be covered up. They just won't have the thicker later, i.e. the sheet on there, because obviously if someone's going to be shooting at that with you inside, they're obviously going to be penetrating it in their teams, aren't they? So as I keep mentioning, all that area now, the CQB, the village will start to be spread out, not so proper close here. Those who've been following these videos, you know, I'm a one-man band. I've been doing all this by myself over the weekend. And right in the middle here is going to be a nice big superstructure, as I call it, called the Alamo. Those that are watching this, you know exactly what that means and why. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you down here in the future.